got a Samsung refrigerator with a pull-out drawer, and everything in it is frozen. And the reason why that happens is in the very back of this refrigerator, see this shroud here? There's a damper that opens and closes, and that lets in air to regulate the temperature down and through here. It's basically taking the cool air and regulating it in here. Now, when that damper gets frozen, which is the number one reason why this drawer freezes up, the damper doesn't operate. So the first thing you want to do is get the sheet of ice out of here. And what I did is I just used a towel with super hot water and just put it on top of there and just kind of broke it up with and used a knife, a dull knife, and just kind of popped the sheet off. You don't want to go hard, just lightly, because you don't want to crack the plastic. And or use your hair dryer and dissolve that ice and get this ice out of here. Then what you want to do is you want to take your hair dryer and dry this whole assembly, this whole back area here. You want to even heat the bottom here is good too, like around here. But again, don't put your hair dryer like right there, you want to keep it away. And then once you do that, you can feel it. You can feel how mine's still warm. You can feel how warm it gets. And then what one of the tricks is press down on the refrigerator door, the floor here. See how it flexes? Maybe you can't see it, but you can certainly hear it. When this is all iced up and frozen, this won't flex. You know that you've made good progress in getting the ice that's under this lip defrosted. And then, use a dry towel and make sure that you don't have any water when you're all done. And you also want to make sure that no water is leaking from the filter, because if you don't have a good seal in the back of that filter, it will leak water back in through here, and that will get under here, and it will freeze, and you'll be back to square one. So you may want to just, take out your filter, make sure that it's seated properly, and this should solve your problem. It's a lot easier than having to take your refrigerator all apart, which most of the videos will show you, which is really not necessary. It's a real pain to take all your food out of here and take off the screws and take off the filter system when this works just fine. If you find this helpful, let me know. Thanks. Bye.